Now, 2 days after Allu Arjun was grilled by the Telangana police for nearly 4 hours, Chief Minister Revanth Reddy meets with Tollywood actors, filmmakers, producers and directors in Hyderabad police headquarters. Sources claim that the government aims to involve film actors in the campaign against drugs, and Revanth Reddy sending out a clear message that law and order cannot be compromised no matter which film or which hero it is. Further, the discussion was to strengthen the film industry and, of course, strengthen the state to promote better education, better skill development schools and whatnot. Here's a quick takedown on exactly what happened between Revanth Reddy and the Tollywood film industry who met today.
As the superstar showdown between Allu Arjun and the Telangana government simmers, Chief Minister Revanth Reddy met top Tollywood actors on Thursday. The meeting that took place at the Hyderabad police headquarters came as the CM battles allegations of a political witch hunt against film stars. Among those who met Revanth Reddy were Allu Arjun's father, filmmaker Allu Arvind, and actors Nagarjun and Venkatesh. Sources tell India Today that Telangana Chief Minister was firm with the actors, saying that there will be no compromise of law and order, and declaring that the celebrities are responsible for controlling their fans. Revanth Reddy assured the actors and filmmakers that his government stands with the industry. The Chief Minister also expressed grief over the Sandhya Theatre stampede death, saying that his government took the incident seriously.
बेनिफिट शो में जनता बहुत थे। अल्लू अर्जुन ने वहाँ पर गए, वहाँ पर पूरा मारम धक्का हो गए, वुमेन डेथ हो गई, उनके बेटा आज भी हॉस्पिटल में। वहाँ पर पुलिस ने ये रैपिड के बारे में क्रिमिनल केस बुक किए। इस देश में आम आदमी से लेकर प्रधानमंत्री तक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज वन एंड द सेम।
The opposition, though, continues to hit out at Revanth Reddy.
जिस तरह के बयान आते हैं कांग्रेस के नेताओं के, वो अपने आप में कांग्रेस की सरकार के ऊपर सोच के ऊपर बड़ा प्रश्न चिन्ह खड़ा करते हैं। कांग्रेस का एमएलए का कुछ कहना और धमकी देना, ये अपने आप में क्या कंट्रोल नहीं है इनके ऊपर?
कांग्रेस को टारगेट करना, रेवंत रेड्डी को टारगेट करने का काम कर रहे हैं। ये बंद करो भैया। फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को डरा रहे, उनसे पैसे लेने का काम कर रहे हैं। ये तुम्हारा काम है। ब्लैकमेलिंग करना RSS BJP का काम है।
Telugu superstar Allu Arjun and the makers of Pushpa 2 have announced a compensation of 2 crore rupees to Revati's family, who died in the stampede that broke out at Sandhya Theatre as Arjun arrived for the film's premiere on December 4th. While 1 crore rupees has been given by Allu Arjun, Maitri Movies and director Sukumar have given 50 lakh rupees each. Bureau Report, India Today.
All right, let me bring in Apurva joining us for more on that. Apurva is tracking those developments. What exactly was the meeting about between Revanth Reddy, Chief Minister of Telangana, and the Telugu film industry? We know it comes right on the heels of Allu Arjun being arrested. Fingers pointed at Allu Arjun for failure in ensuring a situation like this didn't pan out at the Sandhya Theatre with regards to the stampede. So we hear Revanth Reddy has sent out a warning in a statement of sorts to the Telugu film industry. What is it?
Well, Nabila, it's not more of a warning, but rather, what sources do tell us is that it's been a kind of a pleasant outcome that has come out from this meeting between the Chief Minister, Revanth Reddy, as well as, with the film industry, producers, directors, and film stars as well. We saw top names in the film industry being taken up in this meeting there. Be it Allu Arjun's father, Allu Arvind himself being present. You have actor, Nagarjuna Akineni. You have actor Venkatesh there. You have senior, directors like Trivikram and others. You have Dil Raju, the producers there. All of these top people from the Film Federation who had gathered there for this meeting. They had expressed their concerns, whatever requests that they had to put forth before the Chief Minister and the cinematographer minister there. But on the other end, we also saw the Chief Minister, and the government of Telangana putting in their kind of request, be it, an anti-drug campaign, or, be it, a women safety friendly campaign. All of these were suggestions that were bounced off each other to see what kind of amicable solution they can find towards working together as well. In fact, the chief minister also said that he had wanted for Telangana to become an international hub of sorts for cinematography and for filmmaking as well. And not only for that, he also said that he wanted, be it Tollywood, Collywood, Bollywood, or Hollywood, either of them, all of them should reach out to Telangana to be, that hub for making films as well. And that is something that the chief minister has been going about. What we do hear from sources is that it looks like there's going to be a continued discussion that will go on between the chief minister, that is the government of Telangana, and, the Film Federation.
So, of course, the first step taken to build a relationship between the government of Telangana and the film stars, actors, producers, all who comprise of the Telugu film industry, Tollywood. Well, more power to them. Let's just hope this comes with responsibility as well going forward. Situations like this, the stampede at Sandhya Theatre, could be avoided. And there's better bonhomie, better relations and equations between the government and the film industry, the state. Thanks, Apurva.